You see? Jesus on the telephone, tell him what you need. I need rum, I need rum. Jesus on the telephone, tell him what you need. I need rum right now. Hey, by the rivers of overproof, where I sat down and drinking rum till me sense them last that. I make me tell her me I drink white rum from me mother push me out. Me I tell her say me brain it numb. Me nah go start drink white rum till this string that pop. Hey, pop from me heart. Hey, what? Oh no, no, Chewy, no. Chewy, can I catch him? No. Oh, I want no, Jesus. Chewy. All the people in pit and I catch him. Yo, when I move so I couldn't fight, then I shot me. Please. You see? Subscribe to the channel. Rum Please TV.